This is Crypto Crayfish. Excited to bring you my first video. Just going to do a little introduction here before we get into the nitty gritty financials in the next few videos. I am a 24-year-old. My name is Holt, or the Crypto Crayfish. I am into investing, have about coming up on 9 years of experience here. So I started when I was quite young. In my teenage years, took over all my accounts officially at 18. So I guess that would put me at around 6 years fully managing all the finances. I do own a house and have some real estate. I have a fair amount of investments in a lot of different spaces, have a history in day trading. Day traded for maybe a year and a half, quite seriously, and was profitable. Just found it quite stressful. I think to do it right, you really need to be in tune with the markets, and it was affecting all sorts of my patterns in life. So decided to kind of go a different direction. Now I'm looking for more swing trades or longer buy and hold investments, but I'm trying to be risk aware without necessarily being risk averse. At 24, you've got time, and I think this is the time to really outsize your returns. So that's a little bit of background on me. I have been into crypto for about the last 3 years. I would say following it quite closely, doing research continually every day, learning about the tech, learning about cycles, learning about different theory, following things on Bitcoin pairs, USD pairs, all those types of things. And that's what mostly this channel is going to focus on, because I have decided to make some really big personal financial moves coming into this next post-halving year, 2025. Should be a big one. So that's kind of the gist of me, and a little bit of my background. I also did have a bachelor's, including some entrepreneurship and some fair amount of technical analysis and nitty gritty financial analysis there. So that helps as well for just a little bit of a background and baseline. As for the channel going forward, what you can kind of expect, my goal with this channel is to be mostly a crypto channel, but I may touch on, stocks, gold, real estate from time to time. As far as the crypto goals, my goal really is to be a little bit different in the space. You can find really in-depth, strong technical analysis on a lot of fronts, and I'm happy to kind of include some of the channels that I watch and find really helpful to stay up to date on the markets. There's a few that I really enjoy. The main one, though, is Into the Cryptoverse with Benjamin Cohen. He's extremely helpful and really good at laying out all the different perspectives. And just a really smart guy capable of going through everything step by step. And so because of that, I feel confident that even if I worked for the next 5-10 years, I probably would not be as good at going through all the different market possibilities and technicals as someone like Ben. And because of that, I'm gonna reference those videos and do overviews, but I will encourage you to go check out specific videos if you want more clarity or detail. Additionally, there's plenty of more day trading focused crypto channels. I think a lot of them are pretty bad, to be honest, focusing on shilling their own trades and trying to get more momentum for what they're doing. But if you're looking for that type of thing, you can find that as well. Short-term technical analysis that's going to really tell you ideally where it's going in the next few days, weeks, months. So my goal with this channel is to really include and summarize some of that analysis so that you don't have to do as much of it yourself. You don't have to, maybe watch hours of technical videos per week. and can just kind of chime into this one and have an idea of like, okay, where generally are we at in the markets? What is Holt seeing? And what is the crypto crayfish zone really doing with their money, and what is that group up to? So, and that's really what I'm most excited for, is to give you guys kind of a personalized view into my financial world and what it actually looks like, example wise, to see someone who not only is learning all this about the cryptoverse and taking all this information and technical data, but putting in real actions because of it. I think that's something that often gets missed. I haven't seen a crypto channel where they really include a lot of their own finances beside maybe a broad table or a Excel spreadsheet. I haven't seen very many people go into an actual brokerage or talk about what vehicles they're buying and why, that type of thing. And as I said, I've got some big trades coming up, and so I think being able to include you on that could provide a really interesting view for you all. Definitely not financial advice, but also just helpful to be able to see how someone else is taking in all this information, analyzing it, and putting it into action for their own financial well-being. Especially if you're maybe a little bit younger, looking to get those aggressive returns without, potentially losing your hat on meme coins or whatever it is. So I will look to be really open and let you guys in on kind of what I'm doing with finances and why, and show you I guess my perspective on the markets and what that looks like in action. And ideally, we can watch over the course of the channel as returns increase and big plays get made. So that's about all I've got for you right now. I will plan on doing a video in the next few days on, the big trade, the big idea that the crypto crayfish is really here for. So talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.